Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check if your Samsung Galaxy A26 is on the blacklist. Okay, so we are on the IMEI.info page, just like always. And now in this bar, all we need to do is to type our IMEI number. Also, if you don't know what is your IMEI number, on our channel we have a video when I'm describing the whole page and showing all options of the Samsung Galaxy A26, and then I'm also showing how to check your IMEI number, so if you want you can look for it. Okay, so once it's done, all we need to do is to click on this blue button, check IMEI. Okay, now the page is loading, and now we have our phone. You can see it right in here. Also, if you scroll down, you can read the basic information about the phone. You can also expand the info and read more information. And if you are interested in the full device specification, you can click this wait button right in here or on the top right here. Okay, but we need to scroll down a little bit. And in here we have the basic checks free and the advanced checks which are paid. So let's begin with the Blacklist simple check, which is the first option. And now let's click on this blue button. And now, as you can see, we have our result for our IMEI number. And as you can see, this device is clean. Below we can see the brand, the model, our IMEI number, the confirmation that device is clean, the date on which the report was created, and also if you want to get more accurate results, you can perform the Blacklist premium check, which is right in here. You can click on order now, and as you scroll down, but you can see that this option is for money. You need to pay $4, and the time needed for this action is from 10 seconds to 10 minutes. Also below you can see the comparison, how it looks like when the device is clean and how when it's blacklisted. So you can compare how this looks like right in here. And also you can read more about the Blacklist Check Pro. You need to scroll down, and when it comes to the advantages of the premium check, they are right in here. Advantages of using paid Blacklist premium check: if your device is clean, the result contains model number and the manufacturer. If your device is blacklisted, the result contains many details such as model, manufacturer, blacklisted by, blacklisted country, and blacklisted on. All results in premium service contains PDF certificate which you can share. The result is saved on your IMEI.info account history. You can download PDF certificate anytime. The result is fast, accurate, and detailed. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.